Welcome back to another budget home video tour. Today we presenting a aesthetic simplex home built for 15 lakh and simple interior. The total area of this home is 1050 square feet. The construction costs may vary in other locations according to the availability of material and labor. This home is located at Kerala. Sit-out is built in L shape and spacious. Sit-out leads to living area where a cushioned sofa is arranged. The main material of this house is flooring in marble, walls in laterite stone, roofing in concrete. The windows and doors are made in wood. It is a living cum dining. We have got a dining space here, where a wooden table with chairs are placed. This is the washing area where a small and beautiful basin is placed with storage. The stair handrail made with steel UNGI pipes. Moving to the first bedroom, let us see a common bathroom under the staircase. We see a simple and spacious room with a double cot. Wardrobe is arranged opposite to the cot. Also attached bathroom is available here. Next we checking the second bedroom, we see the same almost to the previous one. Here also a cot and wardrobe is arranged. Also attached bathroom is available. Moving on to kitchen, we see a spacious and neatly arranged kitchen with storage racks and shelves. Summarizing this one, we got a stunning and budget single-story home in a trending design. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell button.